Hello, Hector. How you doing today? Oh, I hope you're doing. Everything's going okay. Pretty soon, hopefully, be back in school. Be happy to see you. Be happy to see all your friends and so forth. So we'll be back in school pretty soon. I'm gonna start today. You need either your whiteboard or pen and paper, something that you can draw on, whatever you choose. Um, I'm gonna start by reading the book, Opposites. It's a book of opposites. Okay? Open, closed. So opposites means they're different. So if we look here, we see that that's open and that one's closed. Eyes, open, closed. Okay, so we're going to see some opposites in here. And a lot of these will be open and closed. Open and closed, open and closed. What's the difference between open and closed? Which one is open? If you said that one, you're correct. That one would be closed. Open, closed. When you sleep, eyes closed. When you wake up, eyes open. Closed, open. When you eat, you open and close your mouth. Cheerios. If you remember correctly, you like Cheerios. Yeah. You open and close your mouth. When you chew, mouth closed. When you smile, mouth open. When you wave, you open and close your hand. Some people wave like that, but this is a way of waving. Hi. When you paint, hand closed. That means you're holding it. I'll get it up there on the screen. Okay, if you're painting or you're writing. When you wash your hands, open. And we'll look at the pictures. Painting, hand closed. Wash your hands, hands open. When you catch a ball, you open and close your arms. So when we play ball outside, and I throw it to you, open to catch, and then you close it to hold on to it. Open and close. When you give a hug, arms closed. When you stretch, arms open. So her arms are closed. She's stretching, arms open. When you run, you open and close your legs. So that would be open. And then when they're together, they're closed. Open and close your legs. Hopefully we'll be back to running pretty soon outside and playing. When you stand, legs closed. When you kick, legs open. Open and closed, open and closed. Now you know the difference between open and closed. Eyes open, eyes closed. This is a big one. Those are open. Those are closed. Why do we make sure the lids are on the markers? Yes, we don't want them to dry out, do we? Open, closed. So that's some difference, some opposites or differences for open and closed. Now let me show you some pictures, and you'll see some differences. Okay, the airplane is the same, the person's the same, but the direction, the way they're going, is different. Are they going in the same direction? Nope, this one's going that way. This one's going that way. How do I know which way they're going? Because that's the way their propeller is pointing. The propeller is the thing at the front. It goes bzzz. Sometimes we see them on helicopters too. What's the difference? Which one do you think is warmer? Where, or in a place where it's warmer? This one. How can you tell? They have less clothes. This one is cold. How can you tell? They have mittens. They have a hat on. They have a jacket on. Hot, cold. How are these opposite or different? Happy, sad. You can tell by their facial expressions. That's how we learn about people's emotions, how they're feeling, is by looking at their face. Boy, girl. And this is kind of similar to the book we read, Open and Closed. The teddy bear is in the wagon. The teddy bear is out of the wagon. That's how they're different. Everything else looks the same, doesn't it? Except one's in the wagon, one's not. One is up, one is down. Up, down. And I'm going to show you some differences. As I draw these out, we can look at differences. I'll draw one. How are those opposite or different? One is bigger, one is smaller. They're both circles, so that's how they're the same, but how they're different is one is bigger than the other. Okay, I drew two of those. How are those different? To help you out, what is that? And then what is that? So one is a square, one is a rectangle. That's how they're different. Still kind of going on the shape theme. This one's going to be kind of hard, but I'm going to help you through it, okay? So looking at this one, they're both shapes, but the way that they are different is one has three sides. 1, 2, 3. We call that a triangle. Anything like that with 3 of something is called tri. Tri is 3. An example, maybe you had a tricycle. How many wheels does a tricycle normally have? 3. This one has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a square. So a triangle has 3 sides, and a square has 4 sides. So that's how they're different. Let's see if I can think of another one. We'll do one more. How are these different? If you said one was a heart and one was a circle, that's how they're different. Okay? Even though they're both kind of round in places, okay, one is a heart, one is a circle. So that's how they're different, or the opposite of each other. They're not the same. Usually when we say opposites, we mean not the same or different. Okay? I hope you learned a lot in today's lesson. What I would like you to do is draw some things on your whiteboard or on your paper that are different. Show them to mom, show them to one of your sisters, dad, whoever you want to show that to, and then they can help you know opposite or different. All right, I hope to see you soon. Remember, tomorrow, Thursday, January 14th, is group time at 11 o'clock. See ya. Have a good day. Bye.